This month, the Virtual Productions team released several new videos designed to support technicians and end users in the field. First, we have recall 26V-044. In this video, users are guided through the details of the recall, including U-bolt replacement processes and the proper 3-stage torque method, helping ensure the repair is completed safely and correctly. The Everchill video library also continues to grow with additional content covering upper and lower freezer drawer service, along with a step-by-step guide on how to properly replace the terminal block. Another helpful video to check out walks through light switch replacement for the BCD 455WTE Everchill refrigerator, giving users clear instructions for a common service task. You can find all of these videos and many more on the Lippert main YouTube channel and the Lippert Technical Institute channel.
Thanks, Jason. This month, the Technical Publications team has released several new documents to support both installers and end users. First is the Heritage West Vinyl Recessed Fin Window Installation Manual. This guide will walk you through the complete installation process, providing the clarity and precision needed to ensure these residential windows are installed correctly the first time. Next, did you know Lippert makes a livestock feeder? Now you do. You can get the head start on assembly with the Small Livestock Feeder Quick Start Guide, which offers straightforward instructions to get you up and running quickly. Finally, learn how to properly install the 500 amp battery monitor and shunt with the 500 amp battery monitor OEM installation manual. This document provides detailed guidance to ensure accurate setup and reliable performance. You can find all of these resources and many more on the support site. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of our Technical Institute and our ever helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.